Hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video, I will show you how you can run .run files in your Linux system. Okay, it's very easy to run .run files in your Linux system. Okay, now I will show you how you can run .run files. Okay, it's very easy. First, open the file. Okay, so I have two files. Okay, example Linux. Okay, so I will show you how you can install this software. Okay, this is a .run software. Okay, so right click on it. Okay, and go to the properties. Okay, and go to the permissions. Okay, now execute. You can see the option execute. Okay, allow it this. Okay, enable this option and then close this. Okay, now double click on this. Okay, we are double clicking on this. Okay, it will take some time because my system is a little slow right now. Okay, so now it's running. Okay, and now you can see we got the error. Okay, here it's saying there has been an error. This installer requires a root privilege. Okay, it means we need to become a root. Okay, we need to become a root user, then we can install this software. Okay, now how you can become a root user? It's very easy. Open the terminal. Okay, let me close this. Okay, open the terminal. Okay, first I will show you how you can become a root user. Okay, then I will show you how you can install this basically. Okay, so first we need to become a root user. To do this, we need to set the Unix password. Okay, Unix password. Okay, so type sudo pass wd. Okay, root, and type your system password here. Okay, root. Okay, type your Unix new password here. Okay, and re-enter the password, and now it's successfully done. Okay, now to become a root user, it's very easy. Type sudo space su, and voila, you become the root user. Now question is how to install this software. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, first we will go to this directory. We will go to the downloads. Okay, so to do this, we will use change directory command. Okay, type cd space, okay, sorry, in terminal cd space, type downloads. Okay, type your folder name where you have stored your softwares. Okay, so I stored in downloads. Okay, so cd space downloads and then enter. Now we are in downloads. Okay, now let's check it out, the all the material we have in downloads. To check this, we will type ls. Okay, now we got all the things we have in this folder. Okay, so we have two softwares here. Okay, so we will install example1. Okay, to now install this, just copy this. Okay, just copy the name of the file. Okay, copy this and now type here mod space 755 and now paste the software name. Okay, paste it and then press enter. Okay, now it's done. Now type dot slash and again paste the name of the software. Okay, address of the software. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, paste it here and then enter. Voila, now it should be run. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, now it's running. Okay, so now it's running. This is how you can run .run files. Okay, it's very easy to run. Okay, you just need to enable the execute permission. Okay, and you just need to become a super user to install these softwares. Okay, so this is how you can done all these things. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Thanks so much. Bye, take care.